Hello everyone, once again welcome to Let's Be Foodie cooking channel. Today I am going to share a very famous Indian street food. It's Vada Pav. Without any further delay, let's have a look at the ingredients. Let's begin. First I'll make vada stuffing. Add oil. Heat your pan on medium heat. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Add some curry leaves. Add some sauce.Vada, which is hing. Add some splitted urad dal. Add crushed green chili. Add some ginger paste. Add some turmeric powder. Quickly stir everything. Add roughly hand mashed potatoes. Mix it. Add salt to taste. Add some freshly chopped cilantro leaves. Mix everything well. And our stuffing is ready. Let it cool down. Let's start preparing our batter. For making batter, first add gram flour, which is besan. Add turmeric powder. Salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix everything. If you want to make it hot, you can add red chili powder. Now add little water at a time. Mix it. Add some more water. Again mix it. Adding turmeric powder will give nice color and baking soda will make your batter light. Two things are very important when you are making batter. First, there shouldn't be any lumps, and second, it should be not very runny. So I'll show you the consistency we need. Now lump-free batter is ready and this is the right consistency. Before frying, let's make vada balls first. Now our mixture is at room temperature. Let's make balls. Let's start frying. First pour the ball in the batter. And then gently drop in the hot oil. Add one by one. I'm frying this on medium-high heat. Just flip it so that they all get cooked evenly. And this won't take much time to get it cooked. Once it will turn light brown in color, take out in a paper towel. Our hot crispy vadas are ready. Let's start assembling our vada pav. First I'll cut it. Apply first some tamarind date chutney. Now I'll add some coconut peanut dry chutney. Now I'm going to sprinkle some save. I like little crunchy in every bite, so I'm adding this. So it's optional. Now apply some green chutney on the top. These are fried gram flour batter while I was frying vadas. So just crush it and sprinkle. Now place one vada, and now it's ready to eat. Give a try to this recipe and let us know how it turned out for you. Put your comments below and share your experience with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you like this recipe, give a thumbs up. And please share on social network as well. I'll see you soon with the new recipe. Till then, bye.
Refer my other videos as well for mouth-watering recipes. Like and subscribe today to Let's Be Foodie if you haven't yet. You can also follow Let's Be Foodie on Facebook, Google+, Twitter and Pinterest. Subscribe today, it's free. Thanks for watching.